Good day, I'm Theodore Henry, and this is your JIS News for Friday, January 26, 2024. Good news is coming for residents who traverse the Runaway Bay to Brownstown Road, which will soon benefit from comprehensive rehabilitation works. Minister without portfolio in the Ministry of Economic Growth and Job Creation, Everald Warmington, was recently on hand for the $204 million project's groundbreaking ceremony.
As we break ground today, let us remember that this ceremony signifies more than just the physical act of construction. It symbolizes a collective determination to build a better future where roads are the pathways to progress, connecting people, bridging gaps, and propelling Jamaica towards a new horizon.
Beyond reshaping and asphalting the road's surface, the project will involve the cleaning of existing drains and construction of new ones, in addition to the installation of stormwater culverts and retaining walls. Minister Warmington says attention will also be given to community roads off the main thoroughfare.
We understand the frustration caused by dilapidated roads, traffic congestion, and also the hindrance they pose to economic development. Therefore, we have formulated an inclusive and ambitious plan to address these challenges head-on.
He encouraged the responsible members of Parliament to conduct consultations with the communities in their constituency to identify the roads that need repair. Residents of Hanover are to benefit from improved water supply, with several projects set to come on stream. Prime Minister Andrew Holness outlined the major projects planned during a recent tour of the parish. Included in the developments is the Great River Water Treatment Plant expansion, which will see 5 million gallons of water added to the system per day at a cost of $34 million US. 5,000 residents will benefit from the $700 million Rock Spring water supply improvement project. Work is to start in March on the Bamboo to Seaview Lookout water supply improvement project, to be done at a cost of $45 million. And the $34 million Merlin-Otti High Pipeline Extension project should benefit about 3,000 people. Prime Minister Holness says this is part of a bigger focus on rural development.
You want the conveniences and the amenities. You want good schools and access to health care. So the government does have in its budget programs for rural development.
Hanover will also soon be the beneficiary of upgraded facilities at the parish infirmary. Minister of Local Government and Community Development Desmond McKenzie recently broke ground for construction of a matron's quarters at the facility.
What this will do is to allow the matron, who is always on 24 hours call, to be on site, so that if anything happens, she can respond in a timely manner and to give the kind of support that is required.
The matron's quarters will be built at a cost of $16 million, and the addition of furnishings is expected to bring that total to $20 million. In the meantime, a therapeutic park has been commissioned into service at the infirmary.
This groundbreaking and the opening of the therapeutic park is very significant because it is one of the new features of local government in terms of putting in the kind of comfort to keep our residents, occupied and to give them a sense of purpose. They can come out, they can sit, they can enjoy the fountain and the beautiful lights that adorn the fountain. They can even have their own little picnic using the gazebo. And this was done with love and consideration.
The therapeutic park came at a cost of $5 million. The Ministry of Health has taken its Know Your Numbers campaign to Ocho Rios, encouraging residents to practice self-care and avoid premature illness and death. The national campaign promotes regular health checks, proper diet, regular exercise, and adequate rest in support of the drive to reduce chronic, non-communicable diseases.
We say alcohol, very dangerous if you drink too much of it, so moderate. And the salt, sugar, and fats, we say you have to balance it. If you abuse those three things, you're likely to get hypertension, you're likely to get cardiovascular disease will lead to stroke or heart attack, or cancer, or all of those things that will end you up one place. Hospital bed, ultimately to the morgue.
At the Ocho stop, over 500 residents received free health checks and referrals, as well as nutrition and other counseling services. And finally, Prime Minister Andrew Holness is calling on students to use their talents to become more productive citizens, focusing on excellence to strengthen the economy. He made the appeal during a recent rap session at Raci's High School in Hanover. Mr. Holness reinforced that Jamaicans, in particular students, must adopt a pro-growth mindset in their pursuit of excellence.
I want each and every one of you to believe that the God-given talents that you have, which we call your labor and your creativity and your enterprise and industry, your God-given talent, that you can do much more with it than you currently are doing.
As Jamaica approaches republic status, the Prime Minister is also encouraging the youth to abandon the transactional mentality of pay then do. Instead, he says young people should adopt a moral code based on working hard to benefit everyone if we are to restore excellence to the nation.
You are important to the country. You are important to the administration, the management, the running of the country. The country cannot survive without you. You are responsible for your country, inasmuch as your country is responsible for you.
And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.